Good evening, everyone. This is Lynn from Paper Peas. Today I am on with a haul from Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby. So what prompted me to go to Dollar Tree in the first place was I went to get my 201 drawing prompts book so that I could participate in the collaboration between Plan to Play and Tina's Craft Creations. So that's Tina and that's Shanita. And so guys, I've gotten my book and I'm going to look at your video so that I can go ahead and try to get caught up on the prompts, but I will be filming it, okay? But yay, I'm in, everybody. I'm in. While I was in Dollar Tree, I got myself one of these Good Vibes books. I have been seeing it at the register for a while, going past it. And then I said, you know what, let me go ahead and get this. One, I like the hardcover. Two, I like the paper in here so I can play around with it a little bit. So I got this one that says good, what does it say? It says Good Vibes, Born to Be Wild, Roam Free. Okay, like that. Then I got the other one that says Bloom Where You Are. I'm sorry, Bloom Where You Were Planted. I like this. So you guys know, like, well, let me double check. Yeah, the paper on the inside is the same, but I ended up getting these two. I got one pack of these pumpkins, these pumpkin napkins. I got this inspirational journal, says Be Still. I want to open this because I want to see how the pages look. And you know what, I didn't do it in the store, so. I love the cover. This I love. I just want to see what the pages, yeah, I love the pages. Look at the pages. Yeah, I like the pages, look. This I am in love with, especially. This is very nice. Has scripture in the corner, so okay, love that, like that. So even though I was only in there to get my 201 drawing prompts book, because I was in the notebook section, I took a little extra time to peruse and see what else they had. So I ended up getting this in my Doodle era. I like this. Let me show you something. You guys probably have seen it. I'm late to the game. What I like about it is the designs on each of the page. Not this, this. So I got this one. Then I got doodles for the day. I love the pencils. I love all of this. I just love this. I don't intend to do any coloring of it, but I like it for, you know, when I'm creative in terms of my crafting, right? So then I got Doodle Time. I only got one of each one of these, y'all. I really did. Because I didn't need to pick up, you know, I didn't need to pick up any of them, right? So, it's just, okay, so that's all it's got, Doodle. Then I got the Doodle book. See what it looks like. Okay. And like I said, once again, for me, the inspiration to purchase these was the fact that it had all of these different graphics on the opposite sides of the page. So I got those. Then I went to Hobby Lobby. Now, because Hobby Lobby has placed their Christmas ephemera, crafting, holiday, everything on sale for 50% off, I went in there and I got a pack of this Christmas ephemera. I had purchased one pack before, but since I've been using it, I need another one. It was what? $3.49. It was 50% off. My main thing that I was going to look for was the Christmas frames. Now, I could have just purchased a pack earlier, but I wanted to get at least 2 packs because I don't know how much stuff I'm going to be making when it comes to Christmas. But I like these frames. I like the winter theme that's in them. Well, yeah, winter theme that's in them. So I got 2 packs of this. I'm going to go back through my stash, but I think I already have a pack of this from last year when it was on clearance. So I picked up one more pack of these. And I know I have this in my stash from last year, but I wanted to get another pack. So I got these. But while I was in there, everybody, it's not like me not to just walk around the rest of the aisle. So here we go. Over in the I don't even know. You know what? I'm not going to even try to go through section and section. I'm just going to show you what I have. They had these large flat-back stones on sale for $3.49. So you can kind of tell they have all these, they have hearts, they're ovals, they're stars, there's all kinds. See, There's all kinds of gems in here. Got this one for $3.49. Then there's another one that was in there. They're not the same. Let me double check. These are not the same. Nope, they're not. They have different numbers. They have different numbers, yeah. So then I got this one. I just wanted to make sure. So I got these. These were $3.99. Isn't that interesting? One was $3.49, one is $3.99. Okay, well, still there on sale, okay? I got only one of this Hello Kitty sticker book. It was 99 cents. Got that. I got With God All Things Are Possible for 62 cents. I got these eyelets. They were 24 cents. I got this charm. It was $3.74. I got this strawberry shortcake necklace charm. I can't even see the price on here. Oh, I'm sorry. It was $2.99. It's very faint looking. There it is. $2.99. I'm sorry, but that, there it is. They had these peanut charms on sale for $1.74. Got those. They had the Winnie the Pooh charms on sale for $1.99. They had Looney Tunes on sale for $1.99. I know some people don't like it, but I purchased enough sticker books and paper pad to get, with this one. So it's this disco cowgirl thing. I got one of those because I need to make something with that paper and those stickers, okay? I need to make something. They had these acrylic coquette blanks. They were, what, 82 cents? These were 82 cents. They had the larger grommets on sale for 24 cents. They had these two fringes. They could have had more, but I only got two. They had these two fringes on sale for 62 cents. I used to didn't like fringe too much until I watched Stace make things with them. So yeah, I like it now. It's amazing. One is $1.99, one is $2.99, and both of them are on sale for 62 cents. Interesting. I got a pack of these opaque metallic pens. Yeah, these were $4.74. More I think about it, I think I have a couple of these colors already, but I don't have all of them. So I got these. I work with leather, as you know. So I got these leather dye markers. These were on sale for $6.99. So I got these. So guys, I'm not sure what kind of tags I'm going to play with for Christmas this year. They had a bunch of tags. They had a bunch of these things, these wood planks, and I don't know what you call them. I'm sorry, but they're wood door tags. I got these for $1.74. I think it's six in here. Okay. There's not a lot of information on the outside of the package, which is why I keep flipping it around, hoping to find something just in case. But yeah, there's 6 in here, I believe. Then I got this package. This one does have some information on here. There are 6 in here. I think it's 6 in here. Yeah. Okay. These were $1.74, so I got a pack of these. On the way out the store, once again, this disco ball thing, I got it for 24 cents. This is a gift card holder. It has 2 of them in there, but I said, you know what, I can use this for something else too. So I got this, it was 24 cents. These I am in love with. They've got the screws in here too. So they had these metal, antique bronze. Oh, let me take this off here. I don't know what they call them. Okay, they call them antique bronze plated bowl corners. So this is what they look like. They're pretty too. I like that. There you go. And then they give you the nail, the screw for it too. So these were 99 cents. I don't know why there it is, 99 cents. Not to just be so in your face, but I want you to see what the prices are too. So I got a couple of these. Then I continued to walk around the store. And then over in the resin, clay, soap, wax area, they had these resin molds on sale. I got one for 57 cents. So cute. This is so cute. Love that. All right, this one was cute. They had these silicone house molds. These were 94 cents. I like this, so I got that. They had this word bubble tray mold. It was 57 cents. I got that. They had these letters. They had these letters that you can do resin with. These were $1.24. So I got these. And they had these cutters. Now, they say these are clay cutters. They can be, but because I do different things with soap, I will more than likely use them when I'm working on that. So these were, what, 82 cents? So I got these. I also, y'all don't laugh at me. I typically wear like a medium, but I got these. These are large. They're cute. No, I wanted them. So they had these unisex strawberry shortcake pajamas. They were on sale for $5.99. And so I said, you know what? Let me get these. Let me try these on at home. You know, I am okay with them, you know, hanging a little bit, because guess what? I'm not going to wear them anywhere else but inside the house. But if I happen to put them on and I just absolutely don't like them at all, then I've got myself some stretchy fabric that I can use to craft with. Okay? What else? Okay, everyone, that is going to be it for me today with items from Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree. Once again, I did not anticipate doing a haul like we never do, but I figured I better hop on and show you that there are these things that are in the store. While I was in the store, it was just too much. It was so much stuff. And so I will do a short of the video I was able to just take while I was in there. And it's real quick. It just lets you know there's a lot of things in the jewelry section. There's a lot of things over there where you have wood and leather. There are things over there where you have resin. There's so much available over there in the jewelry and charm section. So what I ended up doing was just taking a little snippet of it, and more than likely, you probably see a little piece of it in the corner somewhere, or you'll see a short. It'll be one or the other, okay? Everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to tune into Paper Peas. If you would subscribe, like, share, comment, come back and see me again. I greatly appreciate it. Take care. Bye-bye.